In Western thought, the concept of the self refers to an individual's unique identity, consciousness, and sense of personal existence. It encompasses one's awareness of their own being, their thoughts, feelings, perception, and action, and their continuous existence over time.
Ancient Greek philosophy. Socrates emphasized know themselves as the path to true wisdom and virtue. The self was primarily understood as the soul, distinct from the body, and the seat of moral character and intellect. Plato proposed a tripartite soul, reason, spirit, appetite, with reason as the highest part governing the self. The true self is the immortal, rational soul striving for knowledge of the forms. Aristotle viewed the soul as the form of essence of the body, not separate from it. The self is realized through rational activity in the pursuit of eudaimonia, through virtuous living.
Medieval Christian thought. Saint Augustine integrated Platonic ideas and Christian theology. The self is an immortal soul created in God's image, capable of introspection and seeking communion with God. Emphasis on free will and inner struggle between good and evil. Enlightenment and modern philosophy. René Descartes, famous for cogito ergo sum, I think, therefore I am. The self is primarily a thinking substance. Res cogitans is distinct from the extant physical body. This establishes the mind-embodied dualism and places emphasis on individual consciousness. John Locke proposed the self as conscious thinking thing that can consider itself in different time spaces. Identity is based on memory and continuity, conscience, not physical substance.
David Hume challenged the notion of a continuous and infinite self. Our guide, the self, is merely a bundle of perceptions, constantly changing with no enduring underlying substance. Immanuel Kant reconciled Hume and Descartes, suggesting the self is not just a passive reception of experience but an active organizing principle. The transcendental ego structures our perceptions and make experience coherent, allowing for self-awareness and moral agency. 19th and 20th century developments. Friedrich Nietzsche substituted the traditional rational self, emphasizing the will to power and the fluid, evolving nature of the self. Advocated for self-overcoming and the creation of one's own values.
Sigmund Freud introduced the unconscious mind as a crucial component of the self, dividing it into the id, ego, and superego. The self is shaped by unconscious judged early experiences and societal norms. Existentialism open parenthesis e.g. Sartre close parenthesis emphasize radical freedom and responsibility. The self is not predetermined but is created through choices and actions. Existence precedes essence. Postmodernism often questions the very idea of a stable, coherent self, viewing it as a social construct, fragment, or a narrative we tell ourselves.